In this video, we will show you how to fix the mobile data service on your Samsung Galaxy A33 that stopped working. When the mobile data service isn't working properly, you might not be able to have internet connection, especially if you rely on it to connect. So if you have a problem like this, then the first thing you should do is make sure that the service is enabled. Just pull down the quick settings panel by swiping down from the top of the screen with 2 fingers. Look for the mobile data icon and make sure it's enabled. If it's already enabled, then try disabling it for a few seconds and then re-enable it back. Doing so will refresh the connection of your phone to the network. However, if this doesn't fix the problem, then make sure that your phone has a decent signal reception. Just by looking at the status bar, you know if it's a signal problem. You can also just enable the airplane mode for a few seconds, and then disable it back to force your phone to reconnect to the network. In most cases, these procedures can fix mobile data issues with any smartphone. However, if your Galaxy A33 is still having the same problem, then what you need to do next to fix it is to reset the network settings. Doing so will bring the network services back to their default configuration as well as reset the APN of your phone. To do that, pull up the app drawer and select Settings. Scroll down and then tap General Management. Tap Reset and select Reset Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings and enter your security lock if prompted. Now tap Reset to finally reset the network services of your device. After doing that, the mobile data service should already work properly, but if the problem continues, then the issue isn't with your phone but with the network itself. For that, you have to call your service provider to report the problem as well as to inquire about your account and the network in general. We hope that this troubleshooting guide can help you one way or the other. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.